Archiving strategies to the computer helps you track changes during development and serve as a backup. There are two ways you can configure PAC Control to archive a strategy to the computer. Archive each time you download a strategy to the controller, or when you close the strategy. To automatically archive whenever the strategy is closed, choose File, Strategy Options, and select this first option, Archive Strategy to Disk when strategy is closed. For this example, remove any other options that might be set. Click OK. Save the strategy, and close the strategy. If I check the folder where this archive is saved, there's a zip file with my current time. That's one way to archive the strategy. There's another way, and that's every time we download the strategy to the controller. Open the strategy again and go to File, Strategy Options. You can leave the prior checked option. Check the option called Archive Strategy to Disk when strategy is downloaded. Click OK. To make sure the strategy is downloaded, I'm going to make a programmatic change to the strategy, like changing the value of this variable. This type of change will force a download to the controller. Now go to Debug Mode. You'll get a reminder about saving the strategy. Click Yes. Notice there's a progress bar for creating the archive. We're in Debug Mode now. Use File Explorer to view the archived files. A new archive in the Strategy's Archives folder with the current time was created. The file name includes the date and timestamp. Also a part of the file name is the PAC Control version, whether it's Basic or Pro, and Download, because it was archived when it was downloaded to the controller. Before we leave this lesson, go back to Configure mode and change the Delay Medium variable back to 100. You now know how to automatically create strategy archive files on your computer, both when you close the strategy and when you download a strategy to the controller.